Dear friends, the World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. It was celebrated in 1973 for the first time, inspired by the Conference on Human Environment by United Nations. Every year, with a new theme, the World Environment Day is celebrated for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. The theme of this year 2020 is Celebrate Biodiversity. With 1 million species facing extinction, there has never been a more important time to focus on biodiversity. People should aware to save extinct species such as rhinoceros, golden langur, white-winged wood duck, river dolphin, and various species of plants. Unfortunately, this year, Corona COVID-19 virus stands as threat to the people of the world. Few countries has locked down due to this epidemic attack. So, use of fuel has decreased. Vehicles, industries are closed for at least 3 to 4 months, which has helped to cure the environment in minimum percentages. Every year, human activity impure the air and destroy the environment of the world. So, we should aware to protect our environment for our better future. Thank you.